In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Sendwave account, an easy and fast tutorial to get you up and running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Sendwave website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with the homepage. Look for the button that says Continue to Send and click on it. This is your first step toward verifying your account, and it will lead you into the process seamlessly. Now, you'll be asked to type in some personal information. Here, accuracy is key. Enter your full name, your date of birth, and the purpose of your account. You'll also need to fill in your billing address along with the corresponding zip code, city, and state. Make sure everything is entered correctly to avoid any hitches later on. Being precise with this information not only ensures a smoother verification process, but also secures your account for future transactions. Once you've entered all the required information, go ahead and click on Finish. This might feel like a small step, but it's crucial in getting your information submitted. You're now halfway through the setup. Next, you'll see an option to choose the primary reasons for transferring money through Sendwave. Selecting the correct reason is important as it helps Sendwave tailor the experience to your needs. This is a simple drop-down menu where you can select the option that best suits your transfer type, whether it's for family support, paying bills, or any other reason specified. After selecting the primary reason, click on Continue to move forward to the identity verification part. This is a necessary step to ensure that all transactions are secure and that you are who you say you are. You'll start by selecting the country you reside in. Following this, you need to choose the type of identification document you'll be using for verification. It could be anything from a passport to a driver's license, so pick whichever is most convenient for you. With your document chosen, click on Continue yet again. The next page will prompt you to verify your identity. Clicking Start will begin this process. This is where you'll be asked to upload photos or scans of your chosen identification document, so make sure your document is clear and readable. Once you've successfully uploaded your document, click Done. Now this means your document is in, and it's time to verify your face. Follow the instructions to start recording your face, ensuring that your surroundings are well lit and your video is clear. Once the facial verification is complete, all you have to do is click Continue to Send. And there you have it, your Sendwave account is now verified, and you are ready to proceed with sending and receiving money safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below.